Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can ask or publish questions on your YouTube channel. So just like you can see here, this is my YouTube channel and this is my YouTube page. So I'm going to walk you guys through the procedure of creating questions like this. So I've been publishing questions every blessed day. You can see here, some of them are reaching out to a lot of people. You can see 10 people answered, 10 people answered, 10 people every blessed day. You can see that for this one almost 202 people answered, and 22, and this to 11. A lot of people are reacting to this 141 here. So I'm going to show you guys how you can create this type of or publish this type of questions on your YouTube channel. So to do this, you have to prep your questions. So every blessed day I post 3 different questions, one in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. Yes, just to engage with a lot of people. You can reach out to people and even get subscribers from this type of thing here. You don't only have to post videos to get subscribers. So I have my questions in my notebook here. So just like you can see, questions for the day. So what is cryptocurrency airdrop? That's the question I'll be posting. So you guys should follow, and then you know how to do this on your channel as well. So on your channel, you scroll to community. You can see this is home. So I scroll to community here. You can do this on your PC as well. I've decided to make this on my mobile phone. So what is cryptocurrency? So what is cryptocurrency here? So I'll choose this box, which is the questions, and then now I'll add the answers. You're going to find this option on your PC as well. So it's very easy and similar here. So you can add, and after that you can give an explanation to the answer here. So what is cryptocurrency? Let me check my notebook again. What is a cryptocurrency? Airdrop, rather. I didn't add the airdrop. Now I add my question mark. So the let's say a type of wallet, which is which is not the correct answer. And number 2 is a trading technique. Let's do that one. B, a trading technique, which is not the correct answer as well. And now let's move to the third one, which is a method to mine coins. Which is not also correct. Which is not also correct. So now let's come to the last option, which is the right answer. So now let's come here, which is marketing strategy to distribute tokens for free. Sorry. Distribute tokens for free. Marketing strategy to distribute tokens for free. So here, if you have an explanation for your answer, you add it here. So this is the right answer, so I choose it here. So if someone is answering and he chooses any of these 3 up 3, they are going to get a notification that is wrong. So that's the correct answer. And if you have any explanation, you can add it here, but it's optional. You can see optional here. So now that's it. What is cryptocurrency airdrop? Good. Everything is alright. Spelling mistakes, grammar, a type of wallet, trading technique, a method to mine coins, marketing strategy to distribute tokens for free. So that's it. So now we go on to post or schedule the post. So now let's post it because I haven't posted anything this morning. So now I go on to post created, and you can see it here. Nobody has answered yet. I just posted it 0 seconds. So this is the right answer, just like you can see. So this is the back end, this is my end. So if you answer it, I'm going to see. So let me come here for you guys to see something. So this is 200 people have answered this, and 84% of them have been choosing the right answer. 7% have been choosing this, 6% have been choosing this, and then 3% have been choosing this as well. So that's it. That's it for the back end. For the front end, they are just going to see the explanation and the correct answer on their side. So that's it for publishing questions on your YouTube channel. I think it's the best way to, interact with people on your channel, not by just posting videos every day. So that's it. There's something educational as well. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, kindly do all to like and then subscribe to my channel. And if you are old here too, I'll say thank you for visiting my channel once again. So that's it for this video. Peace.